Hey guys, this is Brenda from Braceways. Here are the cute little gingerbread cookies that I was working on in a previous video. They came out really nice. And they're sugared with white sand and cinnamon that I shook in a jar. And I just Mod Podged their sides and did the tops. I didn't do the bottom. I kept the bottom free of this stuff because I didn't want it to get all, sticky and stuff, because these little guys took a long time to dry. They just barely dried. So now the faux cinnamon sugar sprinkle stuff doesn't come off like it was doing before. And over here, the little gingerbread houses that I made out of that one red mold that I showed you guys, they finally dried after about a week, and they're light, and I was able to paint them by hand to make them look frosted. And there's 6 of them in this jar, in this vase, and I think they came out pretty good. So just wanted to let y'all see these guys and let me know what you think. And of course over here I have the faux cake that I made before. Now the humidity, or the lack of, made the little gingerbread man crack a little bit. But it's nothing that I can't fix with just a little bit of paint to cover it up. Other than that, the cake seems to be alright. It might have been because I rolled them out too thin or something. But they came out pretty good. And I think that cake looks really, really cute. Everybody thought it was real. But I think these came out really, really adorable. So I'm happy with them. So just wanted to let you guys see them before Christmas comes and goes and I move on to something else. So let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, this is Braceways. Bye-bye.